Hello everyone and welcome to the second video in our video series on cryptocurrencies. In the last video, we discussed what is a blockchain. To recap, blockchain is basically a digital ledger where all the transactions happening in the blockchain network are recorded. It is immutable and it is present across all the nodes simultaneously. Well, to carry on forward, let us look at how transactions happen in the real world. In the real world, often buyers and sellers in any transaction do not know each other. For example, you buy a phone off eBay or Amazon. In that case, you don't know who the selling party is. Well, you know their name, it appears on the screen, but you don't know who they are. Are they good? Are they bad? There is a rating scale, but you can't trust them. Because of that, you have two intermediaries that make this transaction possible. It is Amazon, the platform, as well as your banks. Banks ensure that your money is going to the right place, and Amazon ensures that the goods are delivered as promised by the seller. So you can understand, in any transaction, the people who are intermediating, authenticating and verifying the transactions are of prime importance. Well, this concept is very important to understand how a blockchain, or rather cryptocurrencies, are important in a blockchain. In the blockchain environment, again, when a transaction is happening, you need authentication and verification. Well, who does this for you? Because there are no banks, no central authorities, no governments in the blockchain environment. Well, anyone can basically authenticate and verify a transaction. By anyone, I mean literally anyone. All you need is access to the blockchain network as well as substantial computing power. Now, how does this authentication and verification take place? Well, for any digital transactions, you know there is an encryption that happens, and then there is a decryption that happens at the end of the transaction. Similarly, in the blockchain, the moment a transaction happens, it is converted into a computational puzzle and it is spread all across the network. And then various people compete with each other to solve this puzzle. And the person who solves this puzzle first basically provides the decryption key, and therefore the transaction is validated. Well, why would someone want to do this? Basically, the person who solves this puzzle first gets rewarded. Now, what kind of reward can you expect in the blockchain environment? Well, it is a token that carries a certain value in that environment, and that token is called a cryptocurrency. So, any token that carries value or is used as a medium of transaction in the blockchain environment is called a cryptocurrency. And this is what incentivizes people to authenticate and validate transactions in the blockchain environment. These people who are into the business of authenticating and validating transactions in the blockchain environment for the rewards, or the cryptocurrencies as rewards, are colloquially called miners. But miners would not be a very accurate term for them. They are in fact solving puzzles, solving high-end puzzles that require a lot of computational power, and they are competing against each other. Therefore, any blockchain environment does not, or rather is incomplete without such tokens. Therefore, every blockchain environment, may it the Bitcoin blockchain, may it be the Ethereum blockchain, or may it be any other blockchain, has its own tokens that have a certain value in that environment. And these are the different cryptocurrencies that you and me see all around us. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you in the next video, and we'll talk more about how cryptocurrencies derive their value and how you can really look at them. Thank you so much.